Hi friends, welcome to Gardening Escape. I am Sarup, your gardener friend here. Today I have come up with an interesting topic and I am just so excited to share with you. So let's begin without wasting much time. This video is about air layering a fruit tree. It is easy to do and doesn't require so many tools. Just take a sharp knife, a plastic pouch, some strings and some soil mixed with compost or vermicompost. Add little amount of water into the soil mix and make it moist. That is all you need. Now we must consider few things before we start the procedure. First of all, the best time to air layer is just before monsoon. They produce roots quickly this time of the year. Now look around for a healthy branch that isn't affected with disease. Always remember, you have to choose a branch that's at least 1 year old and should be as thick as a pencil. This is so important if you want a healthy plant and fruits very early. This is a jackfruit tree I am air layering today, so I will choose a branch that is healthy and full of spurs. Take your knife, make a circle cut just like I am doing and do it one more time below the cut you have just made. Don't press too much into the stem, you just need to remove the bark, nothing else. Now that it's done, remove the cambium layer by scraping it off with your knife. If you don't remove, it will heal the wound and roots will not form. Tie a piece of plastic just below the cut portion and form a pouch. Pour the soil mix and press tightly so that it packs down. Tie the upper part with another string and it's done. Now some experts recommend using rooting hormone, but you can skip that part. This will root quite easily without using rooting hormone. Wait for few days until you can see the roots. The result will be like this. See, here's the one branch I air layered few days back. This formed quite nice little roots. Open up the plastic cover and plant it immediately in a pot. Look at the video how I am planting the air layer tree. Place the plant in the middle of the pot and pour the soil gently over the roots. Drench the pot fully with water and place it in shade for about 1 week. Remove some leaves so that it doesn't evaporate too much moisture from inside. Now I will suggest some important things that will make your plant really happy. Don't expose the newly potted plant to sunlight. After new leaves start sprouting, spray neem oil once in 10 days as a protection from pests and diseases. Start fertilizing with organic fertilizers after the new leaves become mature in about 30 days. You can use fish emulsion, seaweed or homemade mustard cake liquid at a very small dose. If these things are taken care of, I am sure your plant will be a perfect fruit tree. Before finishing it up, I have a very small request to you. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Comment below if you have any queries. I will get back to you soon with more garden and plant related tips. Until then, keep watching my channel. Happy gardening!